We are back at Paul's working on his red Jeep. So today what we have going on, what he has going on actually, is the pinion. He hammered on it and messed up a thread, is that right?
That's right.
That's correct.
That's right.
So we're gonna mess with that.
I have to rethread it.
And then after that is start putting it back together, right? Putting all the gears in and all that. And that is the front axle Dana 44 off of a JK, correct?
Yep. This actually works.
Yep. Air chisel. It's okay if it just drops?
Yeah, I put a puck in there just to. There we go.
There it is. Nice. I'm surprised that air chisel didn't do anything.
I know, right? I got that from Amazon, actually.
This is from Amazon, so we'll see how well this does. I think it'll be good. It looks legit.
It's the same one. A lot of the guys were like, it's a, Chinese, like, use it once, and then
we just need to use it once.
Yeah, that's all I need. I just need to use it once. That's it.
So you definitely don't want to mess this piece up in a vise. A leather glove over it? Is that leather?
Yeah, it's leather.
Let's see how this goes.
This is it, man.
So lesson learned, don't hit the pinion.
Yeah, don't hit the pinion. Unless you have something covering it. Oh, you know what? I'm a dummy.
Yeah.
I'm a dummy.
I'll see you the same thing. Not that you're a dummy, to put smile on there.
This is what they told me. I think the problem is my vice is slipping.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You know what this means?
Oh wow. No way.
Yeah. So that's what's going down. I'm cranking it down and it's bending more.
Alright, got the new vise.
That's bigger.
It's a lot bigger.
It's bigger.
It looks stronger. Hopefully you don't bend this one.
Yeah.
Alright, he can only do so much with this Amazon tool, so it's time to send it.
Yeah, if this doesn't work, I guess I'm just buying a new one. I feel like it went right on.
I think that's it. I think you got it. So now it's time to try to put it in. See how that does. Remember guys, this is for entertainment purposes. Don't do what we're doing.
Don't do what we do. Here, just hold the axle.
Okay.
So what I should have is a brass drift punch, not a fucking
rusty
railroad tie bolt.
Alright, so hopefully this pulls through. Is that how you did it last time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was, I cross-threaded it from the jump, I guess.
So there's too many spacers on the pinion, so we're gonna have to remove it, remove the bearing, and take out some spacers, I guess.
Try again.
Try again. Alright, so you have to get something like this so you can remove it. I'll have this link down below, along with the die that we used in case you mess up your threads. Paul was saying that it's really hard to find one of these, so...
Well, and it's hard to find the information as to what thread, pitch.
Yeah. And this is for the Yukon for the JK, just so you guys know.
Which is also stock. It's the same as stock. So it's 7/8 by 20.
7/8 by 20. Do you use the air tool on here too? Or do you do it by hand?
So they say not to, but...
So guys, don't use the air tool, but we will.
We definitely are using air tools.
Kind of sketchy. Alright, so we are at a point where everything is loose now. It's not all super tight how it was before. But as you can see the marks, it still needs to push closer to the inside more. So we gotta add more shims. According to Paul, I don't know what I'm doing, so.
Crossing my fingers.
Yeah.
Hoping that's it.
That's it, and then, yeah, hopefully that's it. We're gonna add 2 more shims to the back of this, and hopefully that brings it more in. All right, after a lot of taking off and on and putting it back together, we got to a point where we're pretty happy. Well, Paul, not me, I don't care. Yes, it's all yellow, don't worry about that, but look at that. That's pretty good there. The bottom, it's kind of hard to see, but it's in the acceptable space.
We're right there, buddy.
So, acceptable. So you guys don't comment down below hating. This is good enough for some garage mechanics.
Hey, I didn't spend $1,000 in labor to get somebody to do it for me.
Exactly, and it honestly looks really good. So we're not touching it anymore. We're gonna tighten everything up and just call it a day for the
488s, baby.
488
locker
with the locker. Let's go. And Dana 44 on the WJ. Come on, man. Can't do it better than that. All right, so now that the gearing is done, I mean, we still have a lot more work to do, but that was the most important part of the axle that we could get done today. So that'll be it for today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.